I felt so off. I tested positive for COVID. Kenny ended up texting me while he was at work on Tuesday and said that he was kind of feeling not well and that we should probably test. We both ended up scheduling a test for the following morning on Wednesday. Tuesday night, I started to feel a lot worse. I already had a sore throat and I just felt chills and I had like the cold sweats. Like I would put on a sweater, but then I would instantly want to take it off because I would start sweating. But then if I was just wearing like a t-shirt, like I would have like goosebumps all over my body and I would feel cold, but then didn't want to have a blanket on, and it was just, I felt so off that night. We got our results early this morning and in fact, we both tested positive. Luckily, I actually am home alone this weekend. My parents and my brothers are all on a trip, so I'm in fact like quarantining by myself, which is kind of sad because I was supposed to be in Vegas this weekend to watch the Jonas Brothers. Obviously, to stay safe, I decided to cancel the trip. I thought I would show you guys like what I've been taking these past few days, even before I found out I was positive, just to kind of like combat my symptoms. I've been drinking a lot of tea, and for like, I don't know, ions and electrolytes, I've been drinking Pocari Sweat. Daytime and nighttime Theraflu, I actually have like 2 more unopened boxes of these. Ollie Immunity and Elderberry Noon Hydration in orange citrus. Vitamin C pills, cough drops. This is super Chinese of me, but I take Pepakwa. This is like a cough syrup and I've been taking this ever since I was a kid. I'm literally almost out, like what a time, I swear. Ginger shots. This is actually just the first time I'm taking this one, but I've been taking this Vive organic one. I hate ginger, if you guys know me, but I'll do anything to get better, so. Positive too. Every time I pull these out, it makes me nervous.
What? I already took mine. And no line is appearing.
I know, but like, It just doesn't feel good, you know?
So far only one line. Which is a good sign. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Look at that concentration. We both got negative, so we're definitely clear.
We look like mom and dad. Cheers, Miana. Thank you. Good job.
Mein Teacher ist Musik.
Okay, next we'll do banana bread tomorrow.